Hello everyone, good day to all of you and a warm welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make fruit raita. Let's make grape raita. Raitas are something that we really enjoy, especially in summers. You can enjoy raitas with your meals, or even fruit raitas can be had in between meals when you're hungry. Nothing like a cool and refreshing fruit raita in summer. So let's make and enjoy the grape raita. Grapes raita or Angoor ka raita, a perfect one for summers. You can enjoy it as an accompaniment with your meals, or in between when you are hungry you can enjoy it like a snack also. Such fruit raitas are really refreshing and enjoyable on a hot summer's day. So here is the recipe for you. All we need is 1 bowl of yogurt or curd, some grapes, you can take purple or green. Here I have some fresh dill leaves, tender ones, some cumin, roasted cumin powder, freshly crushed black pepper, and little salt to taste. Ingredients list is shared in the description box also, check it out. Now first you wash the grapes very well and cut them into halves. Washing them is very important as we are consuming them with the skin. These days I am washing everything with veggie wash. Add few drops to the water and soak them. Now whisk the yogurt. Add little salt, cumin powder, black peppers, as much as you like. A pinch or two should be sufficient for a bowl. Dip in the grapes. The grapes are quite sweet. If you wish, you can add little bit of honey, but I don't think you require when the grapes are sweet. Check the salt. And your fruit raita is ready. We are going to add some dill for flavoring. This is a fresh and tender one that I have grown in my windowsill. It really enhances the flavor. Now dish it out. And your raita is ready for you. You will enjoy it chilled in summers. Let's garnish it with some grapes and dill to make it look presentable. Presentation is really feast for the eyes. Here your raita is ready. Make and enjoy it. Such simple raitas are very good for summers. So friends, give it a try and do check out my other fruit raita recipes also. I am sharing the link in the description box. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.